Oh, just Dhaka was a knight of
Ojus
pawn.
Dhaka. He's a queen up, Abhyan. I don't think we should analyze this game.
No,
Yes.
Naitik is queen. Okay, Ojas is.
It's crushing. He's up by 6 points, and the
Queen
Indian
into
itself
H6
is.
and mate. A beautiful
Okay.
mate.
We have our coach Shekhawat sir coming live,
Hello, sir.
joining us right now. Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
We solved the problem with the stream, sir.
Sir, we managed to solve the problem with the stream. However, I believe there were some issues due to which we had to apologize. Anyway, sir, now that you're here, could you give some time to give us a little bit of a background on a few players so that we can understand them better?
Okay, I want to ask Skanda, now any issue is there? Everything is okay, fine?
Yes, sir,
Yes,
everything's
sir.
fine.
We are good now.
So now we are live.
Should we go
Okay.
back into the Nafta's game?
Okay, now which game you are analyzing here?
Sir,
we
we are
are
moving to
analyzing any
another.
game, sir.
We are moving to the game between Rishik 99 and who is Rishik playing against? And Ayush Thareshwar.
Okay,
Okay,
so
that is in under 13 category, I believe.
Oh yeah. Okay. Let's. Okay.
Let's see this game. Rishik 99 against Black.
Wait, I'll have to actually open another tab right here. I'll be back in a.
Okay, this is completely winning for white.
Okay, I think
white is Rishik and black is here.
98.
Black is Dhanush, white is Rishik here. So it is white's winning game, definitely it is.
Yeah.
Okay, now the idea
So,
is knight to
if it's
e5.
definite, should we go to under 10?
Okay, and there's nothing
Oh,
in
it's a
under 30.
blunder.
We'll remain in under
Sir,
10.
isn't there a blunder?
Let's
Almost
let's
all
go
games in
back
under
to-
10, 13 are hopeless. We'll be moving
Let's
to
go
under
to
10.
under 10 again. Let's see if there are any interesting games in under 10.
Skanda, can you show me the chart first of all? This list,
So which
pairing
list?
list was there.
So which
This
list?
pairing list, the under 10 category list, under 10
Yes,
category.
sir.
Okay, Skanda. So we have 40 people, sir, today.
Wait, Odas Dhaka has 3 points. Okay, Rishabh is also playing good here.
Skanda. Sir, 1 minute. There are some issues. What is happening is that I've been checking from another account. We have not been live since 9 minutes.
Yeah, no, we are
Again,
live
Again,
now.
we got disconnected.
No, we
Can
are live
anyone
now.
try to open it? Can anyone try to open it from another account so that we can just confirm that we are live? Are we live right now? Is my question.
Yes.
Yes,
We are live right
we
now?
are.
Yes, we are. Told you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so
Fine.
meanwhile, Rishik is winning this game. I think it was a good game. The win. King
Yeah.
G2. Okay. Can someone explain this move? Skanda, you want to explain?
Which move?
No, move back one move. I believe I missed that. Move back by one move. I'm so sorry about this thing.
G3, King G4. Now I felt that King G2 would have been a forced mate.
White can go for exactly. Yeah, white can go for king g2.
And then forced mate.
No, black can stop this by this, right?
No, then okay, yeah. But then he loses.
Okay, everyone. We'll be moving to the game between Akshaj V and Anish Vijay Ganesh in the under 10
Yeah.
category.
Let's go there.
Interesting position.
Akshaj V and Anish Vijay Ganesh.
Hashtag 6 versus hashtag 16.
Okay, yeah.
Hashtag 6. Okay, 1 second. I'll look for that. Yeah, we got that. Akshaj
Yeah.
V seems. Akshaj V seems to be winning a pawn up, and he has good attack and pressure. But knight e5 is also a strong move.
Okay. What about knight e5 followed by knight into d3 and then knight into a5? Okay, he doesn't go for that.
Then rook will be still there, Anish.
Okay. This allows a very strong attack type of initiative over here.
But wait, rook b5.
We can go rook b5, king c7, and then rook b7 check.
Okay, Akshaj V has left the game apparently.
He has
Damn it, you got to cause internet issues and network problems indeed.
Yes.
But anyway,
no,
No,
we
we will
game
remain here.
because of the internet.
We will wait for 10 seconds more. Until then, let me just view what else we can, what our other options are.
Actually,
Because
he's
you see,
offline. Okay, now he's online.
okay, okay, he's online again.
Yes.
Yes, he's come back.
Akshad B has less time also, so he cannot play here in his cat and mouse system here. So yeah, Akshad B is white, I think. So he has to play little fast here.
Yeah, but pawn up is little hard.
Because this endgame is not short here.
Akshat V is not playing. Okay, he can give a check.
If
Now
I were to
king
say,
c7. King c7.
So just to confirm, you send the link, right?
Now I think rook f8 and then rook and then knight e7 check. 1 second, I'll just show that up.
Akshay G is offline again. Okay, okay. I believe there are network issues at play here.
Black
Sir,
can play something like this.
I think the best bet here would be to go for a draw, because even though white, I would prefer white's position in this situation. I would still say that the timing and then the network issues is very uncomfortable or unpleasant, if I were to put it in simple words. So I would suggest going for a draw here. I would offer a draw if I were white.
I would actually go for Avian's
Yeah.
idea. Rook to f8 and then knight to e5.
If that
However, if
does
I
not,
were
then
black, I would certainly decline a draw here.
Okay.
Black
Listen to me. What about this pass pawn? This a7 pass pawn. So black can take initiative also in future.
yeah. First, but sir, I think first rook h f8. Or I could show it by this. This rook f8, and then taking advantage of this pin, we could play knight e5. Double check.
Avian, literally
So
speaking, that's
according
not a
to me,
pin.
that's a strong idea. Okay, yeah, sorry, I'll just remove my annotations.
Yes.
You just tell us directly here. No need to annotate. Okay, rook f5. Last move, I think. Yeah.
Avian, now your idea will work. Okay, black played the perfect move, in my opinion. Rook f8.
Rook f8, rook f8, rook f8.
A beautiful move because of knight e.
Knight f e5 check.
Yeah, then
Knight
Animesh,
f
could you
e5
show
check
my
is.
annotation?
I think white would have seen this
Okay.
by now.
Yeah,
Let's see what
definitely.
white will do.
This is what I mean. This check, because then you're putting pressure on this one, and of course
And the bishop.
this beautiful discovery right here.
Yeah, actually, Akshaj B and Anish, both of them are good chess player. So I don't think in this position they will make blunder. Any blunder will be happen. I don't think so.
Akshat, we will win on time.
According
I
to
mean,
my
No, he lose on time. But I really want this game to be a draw, because
that is the problem. Akshaj B is not maintaining the time. It is his.
knight f e5. Knight f
Knight
e5 is
f e5.
knight f e5 crush. Oh,
Oh, what is that?
interesting.
Possibility, but I would have still gone with knight f e5.
No, actually, if I were to be really frank here, knight c7 was unnecessary here. He should have gone for knight f e5 to make the best possible move. But knight c7 is really a dynamic move in the sense of putting pressure psychologically. Because now white needs to take some time to consider the possibilities. Because knight e7 opens up a lot more possibilities.
Yeah, but let's see. Still, I would go with knight f e5.
Okay.
Now knight f e5 at least, so that giving a check at least.
Yeah. Knight f
But not that it
e5.
doesn't.
Or even knight g e5 for that matter.
Okay,
Both are okay.
I think in this position
But
Anish is trying to go
Akshat has
for.
other ideas.
I think in this position Anish is going for a bit of hope. Supposing like trying to make the rook go to the knight jump square to attack. Something like that.
Okay, I believe we'll be moving on to a more fresh game right now, a game which is
Rook into
developing.
knight.
The game between Apex Boat and Samik 416 in the under 13 category.
Can we go to under 13, Skanda?
We are in
And
under
yes.
13. Okay, let's look at the
This
whole
game
game.
between Apex Bot and Samik is very interesting game. e4, c5, nc3, f4, a6, nf3, bishop e2, nc6, d3, d5. And now we have reached a very critical position, and white has to make a choice to kill or to not to take.
Okay, all of you can evaluate this position.
Yeah, I would judge it as white has some pressure, because if he takes now after e into d5, white's pawn structure is a little bit divided.
We have
And
transposed to
black
the main
center.
line. Abhiyan, sorry to interrupt you. We
Yeah.
have transposed to the main line of the Grand Prix attack. So, sir, evaluation is not a question here because it's equal.
Hmm.
This is the main line of the Grand Prix attack.
No,
Yeah,
okay,
but
but
evaluation means who to
in this
support.
position, what are the targets about the future? So white is here, Shamik, and black is Atharva, I think. Yeah, that is Atharva.
Yes.
So nowadays Atharva is playing well. Shamik is also a very strong player. So both of them are very strong. Okay, so I think they have good study about this opening. That's why both of you are them are playing.
Let's see
So-
what will happen next.
Something like this. I believe the bishop would be well placed there. That's what my idea is. And then these are the holes. These are all holes in the position. The ones which I've highlighted. This is the main line for black. Okay.
Black has just captured a free pawn animation.
And E5
Yeah.
was not a strong move actually. And
That
E5
was a
not-
mistake move, maybe.
So here white lost one pawn and it is center pawn. So according to me, this is the advantage for black here.
Yes.
Sir,
Okay.
what is your evaluation in this position?
Now actually black is trying to capture the bishop pair, white's bishop pair. If he is able to do this, so then it will be totally advantage. Means decisive advantage for black.
Okay, now white is
Sir,
better can capture the
Bishop-
bishop.
Can we
pair.
move to the name of Nivedita 16? Can we move to the game of Nivedita 16 versus Ayush Dhareshwar? Board hashtag 3 versus 5 under 13 category.
Nivedita 16.
Skanda, you do one first. Skanda, don't select any particular game. First, see from outside, see everybody's game, okay, and see which one is interesting, more interesting.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I've been doing the same thing. I believe the game between Nivedita 16 and Ayush Dhareshwar is good. Or is it over already?
No, it's here.
It's
It's
over,
here.
animation's over.
No, it's right
going,
here.
It's going on. Just click on it. I want to watch that game.
Okay. This is also a
Dynamic.
very interesting game.
Dynamic position right here.
Free knight. Black has just blundered a knight.
More like he fell into a trap of some sort.
No, he took the knight.
Okay. Ugly. Very bad. Bad position for black.
But let's. Do you
Quite
want to change the
unpleasant.
game or keep
Yeah.
this game?
No. We'll be changing the game. We'll be moving to the game between Chess King Slayer and Avi05 Verma.
Okay then. Chess King Slayer is Nikita, and Avi05 Verma is.
Yes, Avi05 Verma is.
Avi.
Amog is not playing. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Ah,
Amol
yes.
is
Yes,
playing.
sir.
Okay, but Nikita is playing, I think.
Yeah, Nikita
But
is him.
That is
But
Nikita.
Avi, the pawn on d6 is like he'll hope to capture this next move, but Nikita has defended it, of course. So now
Which
what
opening
is
idea?
So which?
looking at the position d4, some d4 opening looking at this position. But let's see which opening it actually was. Kanda.
Okay, rewinding to the
No.
first move. It's the Sicilian defense.
No need to see from.
Oh, it was Sicilian. Yeah, it looks like a Sicilian opening.
Not really. It kind of looks like a Alpine variation of it. Not. It looks like an anti-Sicilian more than a Sicilian. D5. E takes.
E captures. E captures.
I definitely think it's bishop
Or
captures.
bishop captures.
I would say bishop captures. in
Yeah,
this position.
maybe bishop. Sir, what's your opinion on Animesh? What's your opinion? Which capture was better?
Bishop takes is fine, and then bishop takes bishop, rook takes bishop, and then it will be
Bishop takes.
little bit comfortable zone for black. It is.
Yeah.
Black is
So
successful.
who do you prefer? Who do you prefer in this position?
In this position, black is little comfortable here. Okay. And because black is able to play d5, so it is in Sicilian. This variation is very nice.
Yeah, of course. One
But-
second. My laptop is getting discharged. I'll just get the charger. 2 minutes.
Okay, no problem. But this is it is slight advantage. You cannot say anything is special here. So
Black may have just a bit of space advantage.
yeah, space advantage is there. And if black is able to go for doubling,
It may become
actually
easy in
Abi
the
has to
future.
challenge the rook here. Yeah, Abi has to challenge the rooks. Otherwise, he has no other good moves in this position.
He played
Uh,
c4.
that is actually making the b2 pawn a target in rook d4 is now
Excuse
strong.
me.
Okay, can we move to the game between Ojus Dhaka and Annavata on board number 1 of the
Anish,
under
just
10
1 minute. I
category?
want to see what white plays in this position.
Ojus Dhaka versus Annavata. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, Ojus Dhaka versus Annavata. That'll be the next game we'll be moving on to.
Yeah, but
Yeah, let's.
just one more.
Yeah,
I
we
want to
can
see
just
what white
watch
plays
this
in this
still.
position. This is definitely what I would have played in this position.
Kanda, can we change to under 10 category?
Yes, under 10. Which game?
Yeah, we will be coming back. Board number 1, Annavata versus Ojus Dhaka. Ojus Dhaka has been putting a lot of pressure here. He's reached quite a
Okay,
good
then.
situation. So
Okay, let's see Annavata versus Ojus Dhaka. Now
Bishop
Ojus
d6.
Dhaka, I feel, is a knight up.
With a
Oh,
he
this
combination
did
is
become a
pawn.
knight. Yeah, but it's a very dynamic position, you see.
Yeah, it's a very
dynamic position.
attacking position and tactical position. So let's keep this position on for a little while.
Yeah, I wouldn't make my bet just yet.
If white succeeds in doing some attack by h4, then he still has hope.
Skanda, try to show others game. Okay, don't show one game again and again.
Okay, so
One,
we're viewing
okay.
everybody's game one by one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sir. I'm trying to view some interesting games, but most games have already reached a stage where one person is winning.
Yeah, we're trying to show the neutral games, and this is a neutral
Okay,
game.
we can watch the game between Satvik Sundar and Anish Vijay Ganesh. For
Okay, let's go.
Wait, what's it?
Okay, I found
Satvik
it.
Sutradhar.
Hashtag
Yeah.
7 versus hashtag 9.
This is
Hashtag
the
7
Yeah.
versus
opening.
9.
Yes.
Yeah, but very
what's-
interesting.
Yes,
The center game is played.
And black is a pawn up, but white has good development and attack in this position. But I feel that he should not keep moving the queen.
Okay, this is actually a game in the opening. We'll come back to this after a while. We'll be moving to end game 1 just to spice up the mood a little bit between Nilesh Karthik and Rishabh 15. Now, Rishabh 15, I believe white is a bishop up here, but the dynamic possibilities that black has just makes it very interesting. So we'll be moving to that game. Hashtag 3 versus hashtag 4 under 10 category.
Okay, so we have a good position here. Interesting position, I can call it. White has,
Again, I think we should let Sir give his opinion here. Sir, what do you believe?
Yeah, sir.
What happened?
can you give your opinion first?
Yeah, in this position, it is you can see that rook f1. It is white to move. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. There's
So this is a
no good
checkmate
move.
threat.
Actually, rook f1 was
Now there is a back rank mate threat and queen into f2 check.
yeah. Actually, according to me, this rook move is mistake move. It is. So actually, rook f1 was the correct move here.
Yes, white still defended the position.
So what about in this position? What about rook captures on f2?
Rook capture on
F2.
Yeah, rook captures, not queen captures. Rook captures.
Rook capture f2, then queen g3 Skanda.
Queen g3. Yeah, interesting.
Let's revert back to the game between the Apex Boat and Samik 416.
It's a little interesting.
No, no.
Skanda,
If we miss, we are in a very interesting situation there. If we miss it now, there'll be no point of coming back to it.
Okay, let's see the position.
Actually, never mind. Actually, never mind. The position just turned for the worse for one side. Leave that. We should have
Okay,
gone
play.
there. We missed the important part of it.
Black can play rook f2 and then putting pressure on the g2 pawn. No, but then queen into e4 check. So and g6. So that will be a very attacking variation, but it's bad for black. So
rook f2 is not good.
yeah, it's not good. Yeah. Sir, what's your move right now? I don't want to play queen f4 currently.
Oh, he's challenging.
Black White will definitely
Uh,
accept the challenge.
Rishabh
Now
is
we'll
challenging.
enter the endgame. Yes, sir. What you were saying?
Yeah, till now also White can win the match if White play almost carefully here.
Yeah.
White is Nilesh, I think. Yeah, White is Nilesh and Black is Rishabh.
Yeah, Neeraj is white.
Uh,
Okay. I found a really interesting game. Can we move to the game? #10 versus #16.
1 second.
Krishna Vishnoy versus KV Tejas. No. We can't wait.
1 second. Black is winning here. Black is winning here. Let's just see this endgame.
so
No,
actually,
black is not winning.
Again, we'll come back in a minute. We need to see this game.
Can you go to the last move?
So with this move,
Last move, Skanda? Yeah, last move. See, Black missed one good opportunity. Rook f1 was the winning.
yeah, definitely. You know, I played rook
Yeah,
f1
it was
in
winning.
this position.
Yeah.
Skanda move. We need to move to Krishna Vishnoy versus KV Tejas.
Okay, we'll come back to this endgame.
Yes, don't select game previously like this. Okay, you have to see the full pattern of this. First, Skanda, you see all games and then see which game.
No,
is
sir,
most-
I am doing that. I have opened it on another tab and I'm looking at all the games. Whatever game becomes interesting, I'm asking us to view that game.
Okay,
And I want to
okay.
give a chance to everyone, sir, because a lot of players are not getting. Now, these two players, we
Yeah,
haven't
yeah.
analyzed that game even once. On
Yeah,
leave,
you're
sir. That's why I was telling you to come. Black checkmated white. It was a very beautiful game, sir. Can we please see it anyway?
Okay, Skanda, now it is draw game now, drawish condition.
Yes, sir.
You leave this.
Okay then.
Yeah. No,
Skanda,
no,
even though
black
the game is over, we'll be moving to Krishna Vishnoy versus KV Tejas. The game is over, but I want us to look at it just once.
is over.
I was expecting something like this. That's why I wanted us to watch it. Move to the game between Vivan and Rianch.
Yeah, that will be a good game. Worth watching.
So his team is
In the
continuing.
meantime, I'll scout the under 13 category to see who's playing what. There's
Which
only
game,
one game
Animesh,
going on there
again?
between Nivedita 16 and
Vivan,
Ayush
KV,
Ganesh.
Animesh, which game?
Vivan Rianch.
Okay.
Vivan versus Rianch.
Vivan Talk versus Rianch.
Two very strong players.
11 versus 13.
Vivan
Yeah.
is white and Ryan is
Those
black.
both of them are strong. Yeah, and Vivan is a exchange turn, but he has a very powerful attack. And the king.
Exactly.
If Rianch can block the attack, then he'll win. But if Vivan can mate or win something because of this attack, then Vivan will win. So it's very interesting.
Just a quick update. The Apex board has taken the lead in the under 13 category. Just to let everyone know. So we'll be analyzing his game next.
Animesh, listen to me. Just a few minutes show this game, okay? Because you know parents are watching, they cannot understand immediately. Okay, just few minutes evaluate this position and then leave this game. Okay, Animesh?
Yes, sir, not a problem. I was giving an update, sir. No game is going on. We are not shifting anywhere. So can you analyze this position and let us know something about it?
Yeah. Sir, you go first. Then Skanda can analyze or I'll analyze or animation.
Okay, but now do one thing. Animesh, what about this position? You just tell me first.
Sir, I really think, material-wise, I think we can be sure that Black is definitely winning. But sir, Black's king side is pretty exposed. I believe I would give it something like minus 1.2.
Okay, I understood. Okay, so Black is Rianch here, and I saw his defense is active defense. Maximum time he is able to play active defense, and Vivan is very attacking player here. Okay, now Skanda, do you want to say something here?
No, sir. No other comments. Most of the major comments have been shared already.
Vivan played one good move here.
I would give it plus 1.0 because for Rayansh to defend this attack, it's very, very tough.
Plus 1.0. Abhyan, I really don't think that's the situation, but okay. Let's see.
Abhiyan, black can defend rook g8, rook g6.
I know, sir. But then
I'd give it
white
minus
is
1.
active.
I'll give it at least minus 0.85, if anything.
Okay, fine. I'll give it equal then because black is stuck defending all these attacks. But
Okay,
white is free.
I think we'll just have to see the situation then.
Okay, now can you go to another game? Animesh, select your game.
And I saw
Yes,
the
sir.
time also.
Sir, we'll be moving to the game of the Apex board versus Nivedita 16. It's the top board. Very interesting game. Both of them have played extremely well and made this way. There's nothing going on in the position, but both of them are really good players, so we'll be watching that game. It's
This
the
is
top
the
of
this
the
is the
under 13
opening.
category. Yeah, but we are watching it. Because the under 13 category just started their fifth round.
Bishop b3, and then some prep could be d3 and bishop g5 maybe. But this is a common opening. It's Rai Lopez, I think.
Oh, okay. We'll be coming back to this, but let's just move to the only game which is happening right now. I mean, happening in an interesting way. Ayush Dhareshwar versus Abhi05 Verma, which is on hashtag.
Animesh,
Hashtag
can
6
you,
versus 8.
Animesh, can you select the number of above 10, those who are playing? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Abhi.
Hashtag 6. Hashtag 6 versus hashtag 8.
Okay. Avi versus Ayush.
Yeah, let's just see this game.
Partially happening, if I were to say.
Skanda, you start from the beginning of this game and show it one by one move. Then everybody
Yes,
can understand. Yeah, Skanda, every game you show like this before
This is
analyzing.
the 4 knights defense, right?
Yeah, 4-knight defense, 4-knight position.
Yeah, it's 4-knight defense and interesting line also on the 4-knight defense.
This is the current position.
Yeah, this is the current position. No? Okay, fine.
So now an interesting possibility would be knight e4, but a common possibility would be h3 or castling, I think.
Yeah, knight d4 is coming here.
You see
Okay.
what this is my plan. If I were white, I would play h3 first, then play knight e4, plonk the knight there. It's a strong square. Then play something like bishop g5, bishop h4, bishop g3, keep a solid position.
Okay, but your opponent won't give you that much time.
No,
Okay,
it's not a matter of time. He can't stop it in any way.
Again, he is just explaining his plan here. Okay, so in this position, it is almost equal here. Okay, so we will see this game later.
Sir, Mahi Kapi versus Chess King Slayer. Hashtag 4 versus hashtag 5.
Animesh, you just remember this game. We will come back into this game. Now it is.
Okay, sir.
Mahi
bookmark
Cup
it.
versus Chess King Slayer Skanda.
Yes.
Let's see
Gita
the
versus Mahi. Interesting game.
Animesh, what am I trying to tell you? Sometimes select those who are playing above 10. Select the game
Yes,
also.
sir. They are all above 10. They are all above 10.
No, I mean, he meant below 10 Animesh. I mean, 20, 30 and all.
Oh, okay. Below 10.
Like-
Okay.
In under 10 category, we go to the bottom boards also to see the game like that.
The only bottom board in the under 10 category that is going on is Riyansh versus Vivan.
Yeah,
Which we have
no,
already
no,
seen.
Okay, so here Nikita versus Mahi. Okay.
Sir, all the bottom boards are over. It's only the top 10 boards which are going on right now.
Skanda, this game we are seeing first time. Am I right, Skanda?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you show us from the beginning? Then everybody will understand what was happened in this game.
No, sir, we've seen this before. We've seen the game.
No, Avyan, this is not
So
the.
we certainly haven't. We certainly haven't.
No, I mean the position seems similar. That's why.
Yeah, it
But-
is actually. It does seem
Okay,
similar.
Nikita is playing with white color. She is playing Railu Page. So Railu Page is her favorite opening, and
Yeah.
she's an expert in this opening.
Yeah, she'll play NF1 and NG3. The common Ralapis ideas.
Okay, this is the current position.
Interesting
Can-
position again.
Can we see one game which was over already, but a very beautiful game?
Whose game, Animesh?
Sir, Pranav Nish versus Monkey King Wukong.
Yeah, that is Dhanush. Monkey King is Dhanush. Okay, okay. Can you go to that game, Skanda?
Yes, sir, I'm going
Sir,
there.
it was only a 12 move game, so we can just brush through it really quickly.
Okay, let me see what was happened in that game.
So I haven't seen the full game yet. I just saw the final
I
position and
think this
thought
is
it
still
must be an
going on,
interesting game.
Animesh. This okay.
No, it's over. It got over.
Pranav
It's a very
Nish
short
is-
game. We can watch it quickly.
This is only 12 move game,
Okay,
Animesh.
okay.
Pranav Nish is also a strong player. Let's see the game.
No, I just want to watch what exactly happened.
Okay, Dhanush is playing with white color and Pranav is from black side. Okay. Skanda, little bit slow.
Yeah. This was
Oh.
a finish, but white made couple of blunders in the middle.
Actually, white didn't realize this
Okay,
segment.
okay. Sir, Samek 416 versus Rishik 99. Most interesting
go
game
up,
at the moment.
go up
Under
a
13.
slight. Okay,
Okay.
click on that.
Skanda, move fast. We need to quickly move to.
Okay, this is a very interesting game.
Animesh, this is the game between Samik and Rishik.
Yeah, Samek and Rishik. Yes, yes. So
This
he
is
had
very-
opened another tab to just open up and check the other games.
So okay, fine.
This is
Yeah, this is the most interesting game at the moment.
Yeah, because there's a lot of attack going on for black, but
You know, I have this very nice idea for black here. Maybe something like Rook H8, then Queen G3, and then H into
Okay.
H into. You play Bishop into F2, and then he can't. If he plays Queen into, then good. Otherwise, if he plays King F1, then you have this beautiful finish with King Queen Rook H1 lane.
but if
very
he kills
beautiful.
with the if he kills with the queen, then you don't have any ideas.
No, then you're a piece up.
Okay.
Okay,
I
so
don't actually
Samik is
follow,
black,
but-
right? Yeah.
So
Samik is
actually,
black.
Shamik is a strong player, and Rishik is now this boy is playing well. Nowadays, he's playing well. So both of them are playing well.
Animesh,
Sir,
is this
I
the
think we
first
should
time?
stay here for.
So, who do you think has an advantage in this position?
We had seen this game I think one time before this, but we
Yeah.
didn't get too much into detail back then, so we could.
Wait, now can you go for under 10 category? Because from
Sir, under 10, there's only one game. There's no round going on. They are waiting for the next round. The next round will start in 1 minute 30 seconds, and I'll tell you what the best game is.
Okay, fine.
See all the boards in under the
I'm
10
going
also.
through them again. I'm going through them, but the problem is they just got over with.
Yeah, I know.
And Ojas Dhaka has taken the lead there with 4 points.
I saw that also. So, anyways, in this position, bishop into knight and h3 is breaking white's structure. So, what do you think for black?
In this position, black has little space advantage here, and black has bishop pair. Okay, so white is maintaining pressure in this game. So
No, I
according
mean,
to
sir,
me,
what's your move?
whose move is this now? Now it is black to move.
Yes, sir. What's your
Okay,
move?
so black to move h3 is better move to break the to pawn structure. Oh, well, this capturing is not good. It is now drawing condition. Actually,
But the
this-
knight was protecting it, sir.
can you go back to the previous move, Skanda? Previous move, Skanda. Yeah, actually, previous move directly h3. No. After that, yeah, queen d1, I think. No, queen f1, and directly h3 was better according to me. So we can break the castle side here.
But then knight into h3.
Knight into
sir.
h3, bishop into h3.
Sir, I think Samik
Oh,
wanted.
yeah.
Sir, I think Samik wanted to go for capturing the knight to remove the defender from here, and then he wanted to go for h3.
Okay, Skanda, but exchanging the bishop there, it is not good for Shamik here.
Yeah.
What? Rewind, Skanda. What did he take?
After
Queen
that
into
C,
a7. There was
after
a
that
pawn on
C,
a7
queen
where
into
she just
a7.
captured.
Good.
I don't know much about this move. It's a very interesting.
Rook into
Okay.
bishop.
Uh,
Against White's move.
Yeah, rook into bishop.
it's White's move.
No,
It's White's
I
move.
know. I'm understanding the threat.
So white can play queen h1, but it doesn't queen a1 check, but it doesn't make any good sense. It
The
is
queen a8. Queen a8 check.
So queen 8 is a
queen
blunder,
so it doesn't
right?
make any good sense here.
So it's a blunder.
Queen a8 is a blunder.
Sir, he loses queen or he loses the game.
Sir, I think black is better here, right?
Now, yes, white has to play rook g1. Otherwise, I'm not.
Sir, after
Yeah.
this move, can we put this position on hold and move to Mahi Kapi versus Chess King Slayer?
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
let's see this game. It's a very tactical game.
Yeah, but we can't focus too much on one game, Abhiyan. I
know
understand
also-
it's interesting.
Listen to me. I know we're very excited to see everybody's game. Okay, so one by one game we will see. Okay, don't worry, don't rush.
Yes, sir, I
Yeah.
just don't want the game to get over before this because if we focus too much on one game, it's quite unfair to anyone else who's playing a good game. You see what I mean?
Animesh, see the under 10 category, and this game will get
They
over in
haven't
4
started. They
minutes.
haven't started. I mean, they have started, but they're still in opening stages. That's why I don't want to go there.
Okay, then rook into bishop again is a good idea for black.
It's still
Actually,
White's
this is
move.
really interesting position. So white has to play rook g1. Otherwise, I'm not getting any good ideas for white.
Rook, I saw rook d2 also, sir. Rook d2 is a good move.
Rook g1 can make a discover attack also, Abhiyan.
Sir,
Oh.
we'll have to leave this game. Sir,
no.
we'll have to stop.
There's a
Sir,
mate.
we'll have to stop.
Blunder move, blunder move.
Let's
Oh
just
my
see the
god.
mate. Let's just see the mate. Now it's very interesting.
Sir,
Yeah,
we
it's
have
in-
to stop
in-
here.
Beauties.
We have 18 ongoing games right now. We have to stop here, sir. We have to stop this game.
Actually, Rishik didn't realize this.
Sir, Chess King Slayer versus Mahi Kapi first. We have to watch a lot of games now. Chess King Slayer versus Mahi Kapi. We
Animesh,
have
to
to be very
correct you,
fast.
that's Mahi Cup 1.
Okay, sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay, let's see the game before.
I read the one.
Game's not that important.
Yeah, just go fast because we have to observe a lot of games in the under 10 category. They are
Okay,
playing
this
like
is a new
wildfire.
game, right?
Yeah, just
See it fast
fast.
because there are a lot of games which are still yet to be seen.
Especially the game between Ojas Dhaka and Rishabh 15. We are moving fast. That's why I didn't want to spend too much time on any one game.
Wait, no, I
Okay,
think we have seen this game,
Animesh,
right?
can you commentate here? I look for good games in under 10.
No, no, I'm looking for that. Don't worry.
Okay, done.
Oh my god. Shit.
Brilliant tactics. This is getting mated.
Oh, losing the queen here.
Oh.
Perfect.
Oh, whoa, whoa. Sir, I think that deserves a round of applause. Beautiful.
Yeah, yeah.
Very nice move this was.
Got to give
man.
that to who's white? Yeah, got to give that to Nikita. Beautiful.
Okay, Mahi also played well, but at last he didn't realize this one. Otherwise, she was playing well also.
Yes, sir. No, no
Mahi?
offense to her. Sir, we are moving to the top board on the under 10 category. #1 versus #2. Rishabh 15 versus Ojas Dhaka.
Okay, let's see that game fast.
Yeah. Before I scan for more
Do you want to
candidates
go
games.
Why you are rushing too much, Abhiyan? Do you want to go anywhere?
Okay,
No,
Ojas-
sir, Animesh will tell another game in 2 minutes. That's why.
Sir, the thing is that I want to give everyone a chance. I can't remember. who- I'm just looking
Animesh,
for
your
players.
intention is very good, Animesh. But we have to analyze that people can understand. Now, if you analyze
Yeah,
it,
yeah, I understand the practical problem, sir. Sir, after this, I'll give a chance to a slightly lower board. This is between
Yes.
Abhinandan and Pranav Anand.
yes, definitely. This one I was telling you.
Oh, okay, shit, sir. Okay, I think Abhinandan just became a piece of that. So we'll
See
not
other,
go there.
see other bottom board games, Animesh, because we should see the bottom, not the always the top.
I understand you want to see Aran's game, Abhinan. Wait.
No. No any other game.
Animesh, don't play judge.
I know. I'm just kidding, you know.
Having fun.
Skanda, learn how to relax a little bit every now and then.
Okay, fine. Let's go back to the game.
Okay, this is
I think this
Hey,
is a
Wait,
very
I
big
want to. I
temple.
want to.
I think this is the
Oh yeah,
temple
I
is in.
want to see the game. I want to see the game between Arya, Ananta, and Anish Vijay Ganesh.
Actually, let's go for Pranav Anand versus who?
No, Pranav Anand versus Abhinandan. I think Abhinandan became a piece up. Pranav Anand. One of them became a
Oh,
piece up, so I don't want to go there. I want to go to Arya Ananta versus Anish Vijay Ganesh. Hashtag 15 versus 14. Both are below 10, so we can go there
okay.
Okay, let's see that.
because at the same time, the under 13 category seems to have culminated with this round,
Wait,
and the
what?
next round will be
Okay,
starting
okay,
soon.
fine. Animesh,
Who
which
did
game?
you click on?
Arya Ananta versus Anish
Yeah.
Vijay Ganesh.
That game. Interesting. It looks like one
I'm
of them
sorry,
will
I'm,
get
I'm not
knocked.
exactly on the Zoom tab right now. I'm actually like on my Leeches tab so that I can view all of it.
that is Arya versus Anish.
Arya's 2 pieces up, but Anish's attack is very powerful.
Yeah. And do you know Abhiyan, both of them are from same batch.
Oh, nice.
So why Queen G7? I would support Queen F6, Queen into H4. Okay, this is an interesting move.
White is trying to gain many tempos by attacking the queen.
Bishop into knight, maybe? No. Black,
Oh.
they cannot afford to finish. The rook is also hanging for white. If he does not see that, then he could be in a little bit trouble. Okay, again attacking the queen.
Actually, now
Now
I think
queen
now,
G5 is us.
yeah, queen G5. If he saves the rook or if he saves the knight, both are. I would say save the knight.
Because after queen G5, queen into H4, because this king is pinned. So after you kill the knight, he cannot capture back.
Actually, Anish did
So
not
that-
see a very good move. Queen G5.
Now Queen F3 is better move, I think.
So Queen F6. Wait. Okay, yeah.
Queen, it is
Queen
Yeah.
F3. Oh yeah, great tactic.
so black cannot capture queen takes H4.
Okay, now this queen takes H4 and this knight is falling.
Rook E1 is not good move, I think. Yeah, queen takes H4 was available, but Anish didn't see that, I think.
Blunder.
For Anish, queen takes H4 was better.
And will Anish see it now?
Anish is trying to take good initiative in the king side, but Arya is playing good prophylaxis moves here. That's why he's saving this side.
He could have still.
Sir, I'll be coordinating with everyone online on the live chat as well. I think people are sending messages there.
Yeah, I am seeing their chat.
Yeah, sir. Let me just keep in touch with them because.
Can we read the chat, please? Animesh, can you tell us what the chatting is going on? And we'll reply.
Okay. 1 sec.
Just
Dungeon Craft says hello, sir. Everyone saying hello, sir. Hi. Sir, okay. Atharva Usgaonkar says, sir, I beat Avi and Nikita in the tournament. Okay. And Mouth Filler say, I am Lalit, not Dhanush. Who did you say was Dhanush? Is it Monkey King?
Yeah.
Sir, no,
If
sir,
you, Monkey King, if
that's
you are still
Lalit.
here, could you confirm whether you are Lalit or Dhanush?
But students should not chat here because they are playing in the match. Okay, so it is not for them. Can you send one message to them, Animesh, that?
Okay, sir. I'll.
Please concentrate
sir,
on your game.
Sir, do I have to send it from my main account? Can I use my gaming? Okay, I'll just send it.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, Skanda, can you change the game now and select another player? Skanda, can you go to the
move to the game between Sahash 518 and Shamit 25?
Okay. Did you see Shah's game before that?
No, sir, we haven't seen Sahas's games. I would like to see one.
So
Okay.
they're very interesting games going
So
on.
Shamit is winning by
right now.
9 points.
Okay. Oh, Shahas is playing with black pieces here. So now Shamit has too much material advantage here.
I would have
Okay,
said
this game.
sir, I would say rook c5 was better than rook to d3.
Okay, means trying to send the net inside.
Yeah.
Trying to push the net inside. I think
Yeah,
you are
trying to
trying
squeeze
to
him
do it.
inside.
But
Because
in
if
this
you play,
and you know Skanda in this position anyhow Shamit is winning because he has too much material advantage here.
sir, even
Okay.
So
position,
can we see
that's
the
all.
game from the beginning? Right now the position is quite clear, but can we see the
Yeah,
game
yeah.
from the
From
beginning?
Skanda every time show us from the beginning. Then it is better. We can
So
understand
this is
what
45
was
Yeah,
happening
moves.
there.
let's see it from the beginning.
So this is 45 moves.
Or
46
should
move.
we move to, or can we move to a different game because
Yeah, we'll be moving to the shit. We'll be moving to the game between the Apex board and Mahi Cup. I believe the Apex board just blundered a piece. Yeah.
Wait, Atharva blundered a
Bad.
piece. No, Atharva got a piece.
Who's the Apex board?
Atharva.
I mean, okay. One of them blundered a piece. Mahi Cup blundered a piece. I'm sorry. So sorry for this. But Atharva is also live on the live chat. So he's chatting and playing at the same time.
Tell him to consider on his game. It is not good. And you know, he was sending me, I beat Abhi and Nikita. He is feeling so proud by beating them. Hatharv is very funny player. Okay.
So Atharva beat
But
Nikita.
nowadays, Hatharv is improving well.
Atharva, yes, he did beat Nikita.
Yeah.
Nice.
yes, Atharva did beat Nikita, but that's not a lie. Meanwhile,
Okay,
Adhan
okay, we
is
are
under
reverting back. We are reverting back to the under 10 category, board number 2. Ojas
Okay.
Dhaka versus Rishabh 15.
Okay, let's
Okay,
see
Ojas
that.
versus Rishabh. This looks equal.
Exactly why we are here.
Ah ha ha ha.
Yeah. Okay, so this seems like a equal game, except for Ojish Dhaka is having some time pressure as well.
Can anybody
Okay,
fill
but
me,
Abhiyan,
fill me in which
endgame
round this is?
interesting here.
Yes, sir. I
You
can
want to
agree.
know which round this is, Kanda? This is round which are you talking about the under 13 or under 10 category?
Under 13.
10.
Under 10, this is the 5th round. Under 13, this is the 6th round going on.
Okay.
Naturally, it makes sense considering the fact that under 10 has so many more players and so much more competition going on in there.
Yeah.
Ojish Dhaka is trying to have repetition with the rook,
Okay.
and it's a draw.
Ojas lost 2 rating points.
And we are halting. Okay, fine.
Now, whose game do we see?
No, the Apex bot versus Mahi Cup is okay.
Animesh, can you go above 10? Can you go
Above, sir, in which category? Do you want me to go under 10 or under 13? Which category do you want to see?
under 10, above 20 or above 15 you go? Under 13. Under 10.
Under 10. Okay, so let me see. There are only 3 ongoing games. Let's see. Okay, can we watch the game between Rayansh and Arnavata? Even
Riyaz game.
though
Can you select
Yeah.
Akhilan's game? Can you see Akhilan's game?
Akhilan's game, sir.
Sir,
Okay, let me just see
Akhilan's game
how
is
he's
finished.
how the situation is.
Sir, Akhilan's
Akhilan's
game
game.
is over.
Okay. That is Kavi Tejas versus Ayush. Sorry, Arush Khazurkar and Arnab versus Reyansh. And who is that? Yeah, that is Sankal. Sankal versus Rohan. Okay.
Okay, Arush Khajurkar versus KV Tejas was an interesting game, but not just decisive.
No,
on one
let's
side.
see the 3 points can see
Anga, can you see this game? Swarupa versus Rohan Pritam.
Sir, it's over.
So should we play Arush Khajurkar versus KV Tejas? It's a very interesting game because
Wait,
of how it's-
Animesh, calm down. You will see everything here. Okay, can you click on that one, previous one?
Sir, Arush Khajurkar.
Skanda, this game is.
So Arush Khajurkar, sir. Let's go to his game.
Yeah, that
Arush
game is.
Khajurkar.
Sankal versus Rohan, that game is finished, I think.
Yes, sir. This one is our best bet at the moment.
interesting position. Black.
Very.
So now we need. Now black has good idea, but it is very nice. 3 pawns versus 1 rook here. Very interesting.
Black is having some problems.
Yeah. Oh, very nice move.
Sir, I love this position. It's a very.
Yeah, it's very exciting. And white
Yeah.
promotes.
This is not the good move. S8 this one.
Oh.
Yeah, that is one. That is fine. Yeah, here it is. White is winning. According to me,
No,
white.
sir. No, sir. 0-1, 0-1. Now rook into b5. Oh, wait. Oh.
White is winning the match. No way to stop.
1-0, 1-0, 1-0.
Check, king b3.
Yeah. I didn't expect this to play out this way. I thought black was clearly winning. I didn't know the power of 3 countries.
b7. b7 1-0.
Sir, never underestimate the power of 3
It
masters. Quote of the day.
Three.
This was a beautiful.
It is dangerous ending.
Sir, I think we can
Yeah.
call this the most interesting game till now.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
was
this-
very exciting
This is
game.
very interesting. And both of them played well.
Really, really nice game.
Arush and Tejas, both of them played well.
But now
Sir, the situation is very bad now. Both categories have only 2 ongoing games. That too not very interesting.
now the second pawn is also promoting.
Now, Skanda, now here white is winning the game easily. Can you change the game?
Definitely
So
winning
the
for
problem
white.
is there are 2 games in both the under 10 and the under 13 category, and both
And
are.
both the games are not good.
Yeah, sir. Like, see, maybe we can see Arnavta versus
Arnav-
Ryansh 2011. That's the
Yeah,
only game
let's
that
see
makes sense.
another Ryansh game.
Arnavta versus Ryansh. In the meantime, let me just see if there's anything else.
Yeah, Nauta versus Ryansh will end in a draw, so maybe.
Okay, now we have only 1 game going on in the under 13. No, we can't change. We can't change again because there is the only other option is the Apex boat versus Mahi Cup. And
Nauta board.
because Apex boat is absolutely he's mating in 1 move. Okay, not in 1 move, but he'll be mating.
Let's see Navata's game. Let's see Navata's.
No. Let's move to the Apex boat versus Mahi Cup. The game just got interesting. Very interesting.
Yeah, I agree now.
Mahi,
Let's
but
move there.
if Atharva can't do this
Yeah,
properly, then it'll
now
be a
it's
bit difficult for him.
Interesting.
Yeah, no.
If
but
the
can he mate here? The question is, can to mate or not to mate?
If he can't mate, then he'll lose.
Medieval
But I
English.
think F5 is a clean
I'm
mate.
not going all Shakespeare here, but to mate or not to mate? That's the question.
Medieval English.
F5. I agree with move F5. At least that's my suggestion. Animesh, what about you?
Yeah,
Yes,
F5
sir?
is illegal.
I say rook d. I say rook
If
d4 check.
F5 is
Oh,
an
yeah,
English
sorry.
word, yeah.
My bad.
Oh, now g6.
H5 is correct now.
Wait a minute.
Now queen
Queen
f5.
F5.
Now queen f5 check. Then g5 check. Then g4, and then you're just checkmating.
Who is saying that he will capture Animesh?
If he doesn't capture, then okay, he did capture. Same thing.
Now let's see. This is a very,
Queen F5,
very
Queen F5.
interesting position.
No, this is winning for black. Queen f5 check, and
I
then
know that the
resigns.
mate will be very interesting.
Yeah.
Now last move. checkmate.
Come on,
Yeah,
Atharva.
checkmate.
Last move.
g5.
Let's see. Let's see if Atharva sees that mate. It is a
No,
very
Atharva is white. Atharva is white. What do you say?
Atharva is black color.
Sir, Mahi Cup is black. Oh, okay.
White. My Kapoor is
So we
white.
only have one game going on in both the categories. Let's go to Rayan.
Yeah,
versus
that is the
Arnav.
under 10 category. We have to watch it. We don't have an option.
Okay, Arnab versus Rayansh.
Okay, let's just see this game. It'll be fun.
Oh my god, 15 spectators.
Ryansh.
Oh, here Arnab's position is better, far better.
Far better. But sir, Navata has some time issues also. 1 minute.
Skanda, can you show for the beginning, Skanda? We didn't see this game, I think. Okay, Rayansh is playing.
Okay, to all the people asking in the chat of that game who's anonymous, that's me. I haven't signed into my account. All the people asking questions in the spectator room.
That's you.
Wait, Arnab
That's
is
how Ryansh lost
Yeah,
that
I'm
row.
the anonymous guy who's going and stalking everyone's games. Bad.
Not
This is
bad.
actually-
He is not.
No, sir, bad as in like very bad for. I think for black here, he has very less time. Only 1 minute left. That's why I was like bad. Very less time. Bad for black. 1 minute to win.
Oh my god, so it's a big game. Wait, what?
Arnav can win this match if he is able to maintain the time.
Wait, why did he play this move?
So
Opponent tries
timing is the main issue for Arnav now, and Riyaz will try to gain his time.
Navata.
Now this game is about time, you can say.
Yes, but still it's an exciting game.
Reyan's hope
Because
is
I
Reyan's
can't-
hope
we
is
don't have an
time.
option. We have to
Arnav
watch this
hope is
game.
checkmate.
I don't know, whatever it is, it's very exciting game. I don't have
Actually,
any.
every games are good. All of them are playing good.
And the under 13 category has begun in full swing.
Oh my god, now
We
it's
have 6
completely
ongoing
winning for
games.
black. Now it's completely winning for
Let's see
black.
this match still. No. King F2 is still there.
Yeah, I know, but after
Skanda.
yeah, I got that. But oh yeah, wait. But after rook to G2 check,
This time I want to give a chance to a slightly lower board. So the next game that we'll be seeing is Chess Kings Claire versus Nivedita 16. That is Nikita versus Nivedita.
Yeah.
Nikita versus Nivedita,
So anyway,
definitely.
in this position, White is winning the H3 pawn unless Black plays H2 and loses the rook. At least that's what I think.
Skanda, can you show at the start here? Who is leading till now? In the under 10 category.
Sir, under 10 category, you want to know? I'll let you know, sir. One sec. As far as the under 10 category goes, Ojas Dhaka is leading at the moment, followed by Nilesh Karthik, followed by Rishabh 15, followed by Natak Kumar.
Okay, Naitik Kumar and Nilesh Karthik Rishi. Okay, sorry, Rishabh.
Sir, can we
Ojas Dhaka?
can we abandon this game? This is over.
Or just no, let's just see it.
No, we can't waste time on it just because we like the game. We need to move on. Nivedita 16 versus Chess Kings Slayer. Under 13 category.
Wait.
But the under 13's opening is going on.
Animation,
and
one
I
minute.
know, but
The
it's better
opening
than
is very
seeing a clear
important now.
ending.
Animation, now the end game is very important. It may become a stalemate.
Stalemate.
Oh,
I don't think we should waste time.
oh, there's a
Mate.
blunt.
Mate. Yeah. Abandon it and quickly move to Nivedita 16 versus Chess Kings Slayer.
Okay, let's go. But no
Nivedita
hurry.
16 versus Chess Kings.
Fast.
I'm moving
Probably I
anyway.
don't get.
See.
Okay, Nivedita versus Chess Kings here. Nikita.
In the meantime, I'm going to go and ensure we shift within 10 minutes. 5 minutes. 2 minutes.
Animation.
Skanda, this is the opening, you know. Can you go to the front page, Skanda? Can you go to the main page just for a few seconds?
Oh, sir. Varud Upadhyay versus Apex Boat. Varud Upadhyay versus Apex Boat.
Animesh, calm down. Wait. Skanda, can you go to the main page of this under 13?
Yes, sir. I think the best game is this one.
Where are the boards? Where are the boards? All boards, Skanda.
Go.
Okay, yeah.
All boards. Can you?
Reload. Refresh. Kanda, refresh.
I refreshed.
Yeah,
Skanda.
Apex Boat versus Varud Upadhyay.
Yeah, at least in the opening, see from here. The 4 games you can see from here. You can analyze from here directly. At least 4 games you can see, and after that you will change. When the middle game will come, then you can do it. So everybody's games are here. You can see that.
Okay.
Sir, can we see Avi versus Summit? Because that is already reached the middle
Yeah.
game.
No, I think Apex Boat versus Varud Upadhyay is also in an interesting position. I want to see
Abhiyan
that. as
Animesh,
well.
try to get my point. Whatever I'm telling you. the
Yes, sir,
first
we
one
got
is-
it.
So this board is Bharat versus Atharva, and second board Avni versus Shamit. Third board Nivedita versus Nikita. Fourth board Rishik versus Ayush. And what about next board? Skanda, can you scroll down?
So,
No,
Trisha
sir, that
versus
means it was
Pranav,
the first.
Lalit was versus Mahi.
No, scroll up. We need to see the top 2 boards also.
Dhanush versus Mahi. Tuisha versus Pranav. Okay.
No, scroll up. We need to see the top 2 boards also.
No.
because it's very interesting what's going on in the top keyboard.
Last board opponent is not moving here. Tuisha versus this one. Last board opponent is not moving any pieces.
Okay, perfect.
How is it perfect?
Oh.
The under 10 category has started. We have to watch them also. Can we move for 2 minutes to under 10?
Yeah. Under 10 category also, it is opening, starting, Skanda. Just see like this. Same.
Yeah, sir. Just go like that.
Wait, which opening was?
Okay. What is the fast board? Fast board, others versus Nilesh. Okay, very strong game it is. Second board, Arnab versus Rishabh. Third board, Shamit versus, who is that? I cannot
Naitik.
read this.
Natik Kumar.
Naitik Kumar. And fourth board, Arya versus Sahash.
Sahar.
Sahash.
Okay, Sahash 6th rank, Arya 9th rank. Okay, everybody is playing well here. Okay, Sadvik Sutradhar versus Abhinandan.
Aryananta is under pressure in the opening, I feel.
Okay, now you select which game you want to choose because almost middle game is coming here.
So we'll be moving to the under 13 category and zooming into Varud Upadhyay and the Apex Sports game.
Varad Upadhyay. So
Okay.
I'm gonna get my
Animesh.
charger. Shall I'll go get my charger,
Animesh,
okay?
can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Animesh, always means whatever you are doing, it is very good. So always try to select means new player name. Okay, then everybody will get interest
Yes,
here.
sir. I'm trying to get new players, sir. But the problem is only few players are winning, and I don't want to show new players just because they're like that. I want to show some good games of new players, sir, because that's only
No,
fair.
okay, but Animesh, we have to show almost everybody's game. Okay.
Okay, sir. I will take care too. I will see if there's any other interesting games. Until
No,
then,
no,
you guys.
Avian, I'll do that. You stay here.
But we both do that. Skanda can comment.
So I'm gonna
No,
get my
Avian, I think
charger.
you should stay here. I think you should stay here because we need someone to stay here. Just check.
Okay, it is interesting. Atharva, it is in the opening. It is minus. Bharat has a minus position in the opening.
Yeah.
That is checkmate in one move now. Oh, Atharva didn't realize this. It was Rook G2 was.
Rook B2 was made.
So Atharva didn't realize this.
Sir, we'll be moving to the game between Arush Kajurkar and Advit Vyako.
Yeah. That's fine. Animesh, that's fine. Always select some new player's name. That's fine, Animesh.
Yes, sir. I'm
Arush
just seeing,
versus?
sir. I'm analyzing all games right now.
Arush versus who?
Arush Kajurkar, Advit Vyako.
Arush Kajolkar versus Advaitya.
Under 10 category.
That
man,
is
anime.
interesting game.
I'm not open. I've not opened the Zoom thing, so I don't know where you are right now. I'm just looking through games.
Arush Kajolkar.
Yeah, select the game here. Last game. Okay, Arush is playing with white color and Advit is playing with black pieces here.
Good tactic of playing the rook.
Okay, so Arush.
Is winning. Oh, black means the rookie to getting the bishop free of cost.
Sir, we also have a very beautiful game going on between Shrihan and Arhan.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's fine.
It's little very strange game.
1 minute. Can you show me the game from the beginning, Skanda? We didn't see the starting of this game. So
Who's
please
that
comment.
opening?
Shrihan's game is also there against
Which-
Arhan.
Shrihan versus Arhan.
Abhiyan, just a minute. Anyways, try to understand this, everybody. Try to enjoy the game.
Yeah, let's see this game. Yeah, it was a beautiful tactic from White.
Yeah. This bishop f5 move was very good, really good. Okay, now.
Huh?
Okay. Now tell me which game you want to see.
Sir, Arhan Shah versus Shrihan.
Okay. Tell him the number. He'll find out this one.
Hashtag 25 versus 30.
Okay, 25.
Wait, no. Sorry. Hashtag 24 versus 25.
Okay, 24. Skanda, go to 24 or 25.
Is it 24? Wait, who? Animal.
Arhan Shah versus Shrihan. Arhan versus Shrihan.
Arhan right now is a
24.
24. Okay, Arhan versus Shrihan.
By the way, to all the viewers, Arhan is actually Avyan's brother, so Avyan is just going to be biased on this analysis.
Seriously?
I wouldn't say embarrassed, Animesh. Embarrassed is not the greatest word here.
No, not embarrassed. I said biased.
Yeah.
Everybody will be interested to show. Okay, so it is even I will do this also. It is, there is no wrong. Nothing is wrong here.
No, sir, I'm just joking. I'm just joking.
Free bishop for Arhan, queen into b5.
Okay, Shihan is playing with white color. Arhan
Oh
is
my
black
god,
aces.
blunder.
Which opening? Which opening?
Oh my god.
Oh, no,
Oh
no, no.
shit.
No, which opening?
All
they
right.
played?
Sir, what?
They have played.
Which
Wait,
opening?
why
they
not
played?
this?
Italian game. 2 defense.
Okay. Our popular game in the opening is tournament.
Sir, can you give us a little bit of a background on Shihan?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Shihan is basically a two player. So means he's a good chess player. From last 2 years he's learning chess. Okay, and nowadays also he's playing well. So because but he is little bit he has little bit less practice. Otherwise he could have become very strong chess player.
Sir, Srihan is taking Arhan's queen next move.
Sir, in this position, I think he should have gone for king captures.
Maybe.
Which one? King captured this one or bishop captured?
No, king.
No, king captures because then
Because then
after
if-
bishop
after-
captures queen, bishop captures.
But
Okay.
supposing
I'm a white. He should have
But
just
this
played
supposing
bishop
he
into
does
g5
it
directly.
in-
He could have played bishop into g5 directly.
Srihan played queen e2 instead of taking Arhan's queen.
Yeah,
Wait,
Arhan
really?
is losing his queen. There is no doubt. Arhan cannot save his
Oh,
queen now.
no.
No,
No,
but
sir, Srihan did not take Arhan's queen.
How?
No.
no, Arhan is in fact dominating
He's up.
Oh,
on
no.
top.
Oh, no.
Nice.
Oh my god, no.
No, knight d2 is common.
This did not just happen.
I can't believe my
Shihan has
eyes.
to play knight d2.
Srihan has to play knight d2
That game
now.
turned around so quickly. Ghaznavid.
Now what will happen? Bishop e6 maybe? Okay. But Arhan should get your castling first. Bishop's e6. Okay.
So rook c4 is best move here. Oh, he missed this one. Rook fork he was missing. Shihan was missing rook fork here. It was a little advantage for white.
Bishop,
The last-
bishop into knight or yeah, bishop into knight is the correct move here.
Yeah, bishop into knight is perfect.
Yeah, it's a good move right now.
Okay.
Arhan
So
doesn't
you
seem
want to see
like
more bottom boards or you want to move back to the top?
Now can you go back to the another game? This game here, black has advantage here. Oh, but black has to be
Okay, can we
careful.
move to the game between Arnav and Rishabh?
Rishabh game you see already, but can you select new players here?
New players, sir. Okay, you want new players? Okay, sir. I'll just quickly take out some new players.
Miss top number 10 to number 20 you can select, or everybody is
Number 10 to 20. Okay.
Yeah.
So what about the
Can
game
we
between
see the
Avi
game
versus Amit?
between? Can we see the game between Nivan? Nivan's game is over. Nivan versus Ryan. We'll just see it anyway, even though the game is over. We'll see the game
no,
anyway.
let's see some live games because everyone
No,
can see
look, if we see only live games, the problem with that is we can only see the top boards because we are seeing the top boards anyway. And then if we go back to live, we are totally ignoring the bottom boards.
Okay.
No, that's even bottom board's top game right now, not the top boards.
Yeah, the only bottom board. Yeah, that's why I'm telling you, we'll be watching the game between Nivan and Rayansh, even though the game is over.
Okay, as you wish.
And we will just brush through it and before that, so that like we get some time to come back as well.
Okay, Naitik versus Shamit, Kisha versus Vivan. Kisha versus Vivan. This game is
Oh, sir, actually, sir, I'm so sorry, but we'll have to do one thing. The last game of the under 13 category, after this, the under 13 category is getting over. Between Abhi 05 and Samek 416 is going on. We have to watch that instead.
yeah. From long time we didn't see under 13 match.
Yes, sir. I'm
Yeah, sir,
thinking
and
that.
it's the last game. After that, under 13 is over. After that, no other game will happen. It's the last game and it's the top board.
Okay.
Let's see that. What happened to the bot?
Which?
Apex bot.
Atharva.
No, he already Apex bot. Wait, what happened to his game? You want me to check for you? Apex bot won his game. He's first. He's already first.
So Apex bot has come first, but this is a game for
This is a
second
top
place.
board going on. Yeah, this is the game for second place.
Okay, everybody listen to me.
Avi and Samik.
Abhiyan, everybody listen to me. So I have to go now. Actually, I have to leave the meeting. So actually, I have some urgent work now. So
Yes.
all of you, best of luck and analyze properly. Okay, and all of you are doing very well. Very good analysis it is. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Bye,
you so
everyone.
much, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Bye,
All right, we'll Shekhawat sir will be leaving us right now, but we'll be continuing the analysis until the under 10 category is over. So from here on, we'll be continuing with our old regime. So we'll analyze this game till the end of it, because keep in mind this is the last game of the under 13 category. After which we move back completely to the under 10, because after that there'll be only under 10 games.
Yeah, we'll do that.
And
this
keep in
is
mind,
a-
guys, we already have 6 spectators over here.
Okay, so
Okay,
let's.
Atharva Usgaonkar says in the live chat, sir, I came first.
Ignore.
And Kavita Kandula, I think that's someone using their mother's account. Hi, sir.
Who?
Someone used their parents' account. Do we have a player named Kavita Kandula?
Nope.
It's a
No,
mother.
then
It's a mother.
Someone
the
using
father.
their mother's account. Someone
To
using
check.
their relative's account, I'll just say. Someone using their relative's account to check. And we are 12 people watching us live right now. And,
Okay, so now
Because
that
you have
there's
to
so many
subscribe
people, let's do something.
no, we are staying here. We are just watching this game. In the meantime, let me just see and decide what our further course of action will be in the under 10 category. Keep in mind, guys, we are about to finish off within some time, because after this. No, in fact, the under 10 category is still on its 6th round. We have a lot of time. Okay, then. So we'll give a little bit of a close attention to the game. So we'll be beginning with Abhyan. We'll be giving his analysis on this position, his views, and then what he thinks of it. Followed by
Yeah,
Skanda.
okay. So, in this position, I would say that Avi or Black has a good advantage because of this passed pawn on d3. White is completely passive, and they agreed on a draw. But
Okay,
I
the
think
under
Black
13
should
is
just push
over.
for the win. So the Apex bot has won.
That is Atharva has finished first. Second is Samik, and third is Avi 05 Varma. Congratulations to all the winners and to everyone else who played such a beautiful game and allowed us so much sources of entertainment to provide to all the parents and other viewers. So we'll be moving to the under 10 category now in full force.
Okay, let's go back before under 10 also ends.
No, it's not ending anytime soon.
And we. Oh wait, is this the
We are
last
still
round?
only on the 6th. No, we are on the 6th round. We still have one more round after this.
Oh.
We're still on round
Okay,
6
Animesh,
and,
choose your game.
and which game are we watching? We can see
We are watching.
Ojas Dhaka's game.
We are watching Ojas Dhaka's game. Ojas Dhaka versus Nilesh Karthik. Board number. I mean, top board going on right now.
Yeah.
That was
I'll look
in
for
terms
other
of Rook
games.
4.
No, I'll do that again. You focus on this.
Okay. After that game is over, I found another game.
Yeah, Shihan versus Arhan is getting interesting though.
Yeah, now it's a perfect rook ending. All the pieces, everything got exchanged.
Yeah.
Arhan's extra bishop got captured as well.
Arhan
Yeah,
is 2
also the
points
game
extra.
between Natik the Great. Natik the Great. Okay, that got over. Natik the
Just
Great
like how you
game
have
got
Legend
over.
96.
What? Yeah, I know.
Okay, so now back to Sri.
No, I'm just fascinated by the name, the Great. It sounds like a real life title.
The GR8.
Yeah, the GRA. It's a very nice name, named after something.
Yeah,
But it's a
sounds
Persian
like
title. You know the name Great originated from Persia, but that's out of context.
Yeah, I know.
okay, but we're playing
Whereas
chess.
the Great. Yeah, I know. Okay, I'm getting too much into history. We'll be coming back. There are only two ongoing games now, and we are watching the. Okay, there are only two ongoing games. The one between Shrihan and Arhan, and the one between Nilesh and Ojas Dhaka. So we'll be moving to Shrihan and Arhan for a brief period.
Yeah, and after this game ends, we'll go to the.
Yeah, actually, Skanda, go to the main board. Go to the main board where we can see both games. There are only two games going on. Just go to the main board so that we can see both games at the same time.
Okay, two ongoing games. Nilesh and
Yeah, go. Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. If it's possible, zoom in.
okay, yeah, I'll zoom in.
I don't think so.
Wait,
So Arhan has just lost one of his pawns.
wait, what? Okay, 1 minute. Okay, I'll zoom in here.
Unzoom a bit, Skanda. Okay, that's okay. That's
Okay.
okay.
Atharva goes. Kavita Kandula stages. Oh.
Perfect. So here in the top board, black is putting lots of pressure on the B2 pawn, and here in this second board, white is defending this B1 square of promotion. Both the games are very interesting right now.
But actually, the A4 move doesn't make much sense because the captures and captures back, but and then the idea is gone.
No, captures then rook into rook. Oh, you mean if black captures?
No, supposing no after whatever white plays, supposing black captures, then white can capture back, and the idea is gone.
Yeah. But I feel F4, A3 maybe putting some pressure. Okay, that also doesn't put that much pressure.
In Shrihan's game, one idea that I have is after after the king moves, like how Arhan played, black can
In
continue to
Shihan's
push
game,
the.
who's black in Shihan's game? Can anyone?
Arhan is black.
Arhan is black. I think. Yeah, Arhan's black.
Yeah, so Arhan is winning. Arhan's winning down red, right?
Oh, free pawn, free pass pawn.
Oh, rook into C7 check.
No, rook into C7, rook into C7, king B3, rook into C2, king into C2. If he plays rook B2 check, then you can play something like king A3 and then move the king and create some sort of a bridge.
What?
Yeah, makes sense.
If you understood, I was really fast.
Yeah, I did not.
Are you okay, yeah. They're actually trying to be super fast. The analysis. And meanwhile, in this game, queen b5 and after queen on d3 moves, queen b5 check and all are the
Okay, from here,
ideas.
Arhan is easily winning.
Okay, we'll see that also.
Captain,
and Arhan
capture.
promoting to queen. And meanwhile, here queen b5 check seems like a good idea.
Wait, what? Shrihan didn't capture.
Queen B5 check. Why?
Wait, Shrihan didn't
Queen
capture.
b5 check. I'm talking about
okay.
Ojas Thaka's game, not.
Yeah, I know. Still, Queen B5 check. Oh, okay, that's interesting.
Hmm.
By the way, in this chat, okay, Atharva says no problem. You, wait, Skanda, do you recognize anyone called Anvip Verma?
Avni Verma, yeah, Avi.
Oh, okay, Avni. Okay, I'm sorry, I read that. So he says hello, Skanda, and congrats, Atharva, and then Atharva says thanks, Avi. Okay, fine. Nothing important.
Don't check the chat.
No,
So,
that game is over. I just want to
Oh,
check
no,
what they're
no,
saying.
no.
If we have
The
like,
queen.
Okay, Neelaj
Queen,
is completely
beautiful
losing his
tactic.
position.
Ojas Thaka play a beautiful tactic and won that queen.
The discovered attack.
And meanwhile, here this checkmating Shrihan.
The most filthiest tactic available. The discovered attack. Oh no, that's
Yeah.
that's the oh no. Checkmate in 2 moves. Why do you leave the box?
Checkmate into his. You're talking about this game, okay?
Yeah, I was talking about Shrihan's game. The queen could have gone here. Oh shoot, I can't do that, right?
Black is winning in both games. If you guys notice, Black is it's gonna be 0-1 on both boards.
Okay, now the rook will move and checkmate. Will not
Yeah,
there.
Arhan will be able to convert this. Oh, mate in 1 in Nilesh Karthik's board.
Okay, whatever happened. Oh.
And mate in a 2 in Arhan's board.
Mate in 2,
Queen F2 and then mate.
Queen C6 or F6. I can't
Arhan
see
is-
what that is.
No, still there's a mate in 1, right? Rook F3 checkmate.
That's Avian. Okay,
What?
wait. Now it's a
Arhan
legit.
keeps letting the
Now it's a mate in 2.
lose on time.
Now it's a mate in 2.
Yeah, Arhan will lose on time, but if he keeps letting the king go, he has barely 30
Oh
seconds.
no. Arhan, don't do this to yourself. Okay,
I
Arhan finished
actually
it.
feel really okay.
It's
okay,
over,
yeah.
it's over.
Okay, Arhan is seeing the time. Queen G2 checkmate. Finally.
Come on, do it.
Yeah, he did
Mate
it.
is fast.
Finish this off so that we can start the next game. I don't want to sit
Okay,
here for
let
longer.
me
I'm getting.
zoom out. I zoomed out.
Okay,
Okay.
start down. Can unzoom.
So we have a 1 minute break before we start the next game. Obviously, we don't have.
Okay, everyone can take a break for 2 minutes. Actually.
We are not taking any sort of break.
The-
In
the
the meantime,
meantime,
if
I
any
took
of
a
us are
sound
watching,
effect
they can
app.
just let us know if anyone hasn't got a chance till now to analyze the game. They can let us know in the live chat and we'll look at the game. This is the last round of the under 10 category. So yeah, I'd want everyone to like. Do we have anyone in the live chat?
I don't know. I toggled my chat.
Hello?
Uh,
Anyone in the live chat?
Okay, let me just on my
Viewers,
chat.
if you can, okay. Actually, what happens is that they can hear us sometime after we say something. The live thing is kind of like behind. So, like viewers, if you can hear us, just let us know if you haven't gotten a chance to be analyzed and you belong to the under 10 category and you are by some way watching it, and we'll analyze your game because we have analyzed Ojas Dhaka, we have analyzed Rishabh 15, we have analyzed Shamit 25, Nilesh Karthik, Abhinandan 14. All of them have been analyzed at least 2-3 times.
We've
So-
analyzed Sahar. No, we've not analyzed Saharsh, I think. We will analyze.
Actually, we haven't analyzed Abhinandan that well either. We haven't watched his rise all the way till the 5th position. No, I have not talked in a long time. But you who still here.
So now I think the next match will be between Abhinandan and Saharsh, and we will show that match because we have not seen any of those.
Yeah, we'll watch Abhinandan and Sahar.
Okay, so 10 seconds remaining for the last round.
Okay, Advit Vyako says we have not properly analyzed this game. Alright, fine, we'll analyze your game.
Okay,
We've
the game
analyzed half
started.
of this game.
Toggle your chat.
No, we'll
Choose a board.
I'm a man of my word. We'll look at both Advit's game and Abhinandan's game.
Animesh, let's go to lower board like Pranav or
Yeah, we'll be Advit Vyako. It is.
Okay, fine. Advit.
Okay, let's
Oh,
analyze Advait.
we have seen Advit Vyako's game. What about Akhiranam?
No, he says we haven't analyzed this game properly.
We saw his half game.
Yeah, but he says we didn't analyze it properly.
We did.
Okay,
But
fine.
he wants us to exchange his whole game. I mean,
I mean-
analyze his whole game.
Okay, what about
This is
Akhiranam?
Sahar
Or
against Nilesh Karthik.
no, we have seen Sachis and Niresh's game. We haven't seen. Okay, we have seen Riyaj's game. What
Abhinandan?
about
Let's go to the bottom. Go to the bottom. Scroll down.
Yeah.
Scroll down.
Let's go to the bottom.
What about Pranav and
We'll analyze the fifth last board. It's just a
Let's see
Animesh, what about this game?
Pranav
We
game.
we
haven't
are
seen Nirvan's
analyzing the
game
fifth
also.
last board.
We haven't seen.
What?
We haven't seen Nirvan's game also.
No, we did. Yeah, okay. Just move a little more. I want to see more. I want to see name I haven't seen till now.
We haven't seen Pranav Anand nor Nirvan.
We have not seen Shaunak Vidya 09.
Yeah, Shaunak Vidya 09. Shaunak Vidya 09.
Shaunak Vaidya. Okay,
Vaidya.
fine.
And
Shaunak
Vihan Rai. These are the two names we haven't seen. And Kaushal Raje as well.
The
We haven't
opponent
seen
is
these
offline.
names.
Not Anish Vijaya Ganyani.
The opponent is
Anish
offline.
Vijaya Gyanesh is not playing his moves, so
Okay,
let's
about that. We'll move to Kaushal Raje. Kaushal Raje.
Kaushal
or
Raje.
Vihan Rai.
Wait.
Do you
Yeah,
want to
Vihan Rai.
Okay, let's
Kaushal
go to
Raje
Vihan Rai.
versus Vihan
Animesh,
Rai.
we have seen Arush Kajarka's game.
No.
What?
We have seen
We
Arush
have
Kajarka's
seen.
game.
Yeah, but we haven't seen Kaushal Raje. That's why we are going to move to Kaushal Raje. Or Vihan
It's
Rai.
already over.
Vihan Rai.
Yeah, because Kaushal Raj is
Vihan
already
Rai.
a rook up. I saw the position.
Vihan Rai.
No, but
Yeah,
he's
Vihan.
in Akshay Jvi's game, right?
Akshat really. Okay, let's see.
Yeah, but we have to see someone's game. No, we can't just dismiss everyone. We have seen at least one side on every game.
Okay, let's see Pranav's
Yeah,
game. Right? We haven't seen Pranav nor Nirvan.
fine. You choose who you want to see, but we'll just see.
Great policy, Abhyar.
You choose who you want to see, but we'll just see.
Let's scroll back. Let's see from the beginning of
Okay,
this
fine.
game. The bench
Let me
point
just shift
came
the
from
camera.
where?
Okay, we got a recommendation. Arush versus Kaushal. Okay, I already explained why we can't see this. Okay, actually, I just sent something.
Wait, what variation is this?
How do I
Oh
know?
my god, Pranav, why unnecessary checks?
Range variation.
Pranav, what?
And we had and Pranavananda is piece down. Pranavananda is a piece down, so if there's any point in seeing this game, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
Pranavananda is a piece down and now he stopped playing. We can see some other game.
Okay, anyways, let's see your recommendation, Kaushal Raje.
No, it was not my recommend. I mean, okay, I did recommend it, but Avi just recommended that online, so we'll be watching Kaushal.
Yeah, it's a good game.
He said Arush versus Kaushal, so I'm assuming that's a recommendation. In the meantime, I'll be analyzing for the best games now. Enough of choosing at random. I'm analyzing only the best games for now.
But Queen up, so fine. Let's see until Animesh finds out something exciting.
Yeah. I wouldn't call anything at the moment exciting. The
Like
top
it's
board
a
is
launch.
extremely crunched, though. I mean, it's a very crunch situation in the top board.
Animesh, guess what? My data is almost finished.
No. That. Wait, seriously?
Knight into pawn check.
It's like 2 point.
Wait.
Guess how much space it took out from
How
the.
much? Can we pull this off for like 10, 15 more minutes?
Yeah, that'll hold, but just guess how much.
I don't know, man. What was your data to begin with?
My data was 0.0 B. And the
And
fork.
how much is it now?
And it forked. Oh my god.
How much?
Oh my god.
Avian, you don't understand capacity, so
2.71 GB.
that's your data speed right now?
No. The finished data is 2.71 GB. Out of 3 GB.
Guys, if I really feel like we are going to get disconnected at this rate. Trust me.
No, it'll hold.
You're telling me 2.71 out of 3 GB is finished and it'll hold.
Yeah, it'll hold. My data takes less.
Okay, let's play.
Fine.
Let's comment it now fast.
Exactly.
Okay, so black is crafting.
Yeah, okay. You distracted me.
Okay, yeah, sorry for that. All the viewers, sorry for the distraction. I got carried away.
Now knight d7 is strong for white next move or
Knight-
knight a4.
Oh, very interesting. Rishabh just beat Abhinandan. Oh.
Interesting.
Wait, he beat him, right? So, we just don't need to see it.
Yeah, no, I'm just telling you in an interesting way. He beat him in a very interesting manner.
Oh, okay.
I know, but can we see a game, Animesh? A live game?
Yeah, I know. We'll be watching the game between Akhilan M and Rayansh 2011.
Okay, let's see.
Wait, what? No. Okay. White's an exchanger.
Okay, it's fine. Let's just see.
No,
I
no,
think
why-
better than a queen up game.
White's winning. White's winning. Let me
Okay,
see
fine.
for other
I'm
games.
looking for a game.
No, I'll look for it. I'll look for it in the meantime. You just quickly go through it.
Aryananta versus Rehan Pritam.
You know, I know. I was looking at that game as well. White's a piece up.
What? Okay, yeah.
Look at it.
Surya Akshraj versus Arhan Shah.
KV Tejas versus Vivan KA20.
Vivan
Yeah.
Cup
Vivan KAK 2020.
Vivan Cup 2020. Vivan Cup 2020.
Vivan
Okay.
Cup 2020 versus KV Tejas.
Fine, let's see the game. Better than nothing.
Okay, fine. This game is anyways.
Skanda, would you respond?
Yes, I'm responding.
Yeah.
Kanda, can we see this game?
Which game?
Which you
Damn
have
it,
to
man.
reload. You have to reload, Skanda. You have to reload.
Yeah, I know. Vivanka versus KVJ,
Skanda,
right?
we are having severe Yeah.
This
KV
one,
Tejas
right?
versus Vivan K20.
We won Cup
Yeah.
2020.
Okay, yeah, this game.
Let's see the game.
Sorry, this left. The position looks oh no.
Okay. We won Cup.
White is definitely better.
No, white can't take the knight, right?
Maybe.
No,
Is
White
black
can't take the knight, but White has a positional advantage.
Yeah, definitely a positional.
positional advantage? Yeah, I can't argue. But what about the attack?
I don't see anything important at the moment. We'll see how this plays out. I really don't know much about this.
The pawn structure.
Black can set up a nice trap with rook d6.
Vivan's queen side pawn structure looks very amusing.
Oh, by the way, we should look at Surya Akshar versus Arhan Shah. It's an end game. It's an end game. Fast. We need to move
Fast.
immediately.
It's an end game.
Immediately. Yeah, that's why I move fast.
Okay, fine. Why are you rushing me?
The reason I'm rushing you is that he's moving very fast, and the thing is that the position was equal with 3 to 3 pawns,
And
but
the
what happened is
game
that
is
Arhan
done.
just blundered a pawn.
The game is done.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I
No.
wanted you to move fast.
It's not done. Oh, they agreed on draw then.
I'm not a computer.
No,
enemy.
just click on it.
Give me some time.
I.
No, it's not a draw. It's not over. Han is winning.
Yeah,
Okay, it's not.
no,
Wait,
he isn't.
how
What do you
was
say?
it not
Yeah,
showing?
Surya Akshar versus Arhan Shah.
Okay, I'm closing the
I
door.
told you he's winning.
Oh, okay. No, that's why I wanted to move a little fast because we missed the action. Leave this about. We'll be moving to
From where do you want to see it? From
Surya
here?
Arya
Okay,
Ananta versus.
Let's see the time still. Okay, unless you want to change, yeah.
Animesh, I think this is
H1
totally
is a
draw.
draw,
This is
isn't
totally a draw. Oh no, he
Not
has
a draw,
changed.
H1.
Wait, I haven't seen the position. I'm looking for
Oh
more game. Wait,
shoot!
what's the position?
This is totally a draw
No.
condition.
No. We'll watch this. We'll watch this till the finish.
Dead draw. Now
This is
it's
totally a
draw.
drawish game.
Before
One
I
pawn
think
can't help it.
No. The rook pawn's not gonna do anything.
Yeah, now we can't do
We
anything.
won't spend time.
King to h6. King to h6. Come on.
No,
and
we
stalemate.
No, we will not be wasting any further time on this.
And Surya
Sri
Akshar.
Chandana versus Advait Vyako. Wait, okay. It's like a rook, bishop, knight, and knight trying to mate a king, but okay, I don't want to go there.
Where?
Okay, I don't think we have a
Kaushik
choice.
Rajiv is
The best game we can go to Arya Ananta versus Rohan Preetham.
Rohan
Maybe.
Preetham.
Or maybe.
KV Tejas versus Vivan Kak. The end
Animesh, I see
game.
what you mean.
Animesh,
Animesh.
KV Tejas
Yeah.
versus
May-
Vivan
yeah.
Kak.
KV Tejas versus Vivan Kak or Ojit Dhaka versus Shamit 25.
Shamit just
Oh.
blundered the queen, I hope you saw.
Wait, seriously,
I
blundered the
know,
queen. I want
I
to see this.
just saw that. But
I need to see this.
wait, you want to see it because he blundered the queen?
No, I need to see how he blundered the queen. That's not. Oh my Shamit. First of all, why did he move the queen?
It may be a finger slip. It may be a finger slip. We hold no right to comment over what they did and why they did it. It could be any of the situations. Maybe it was a finger slip.
but
or
now look at
something.
the
I
pawn
would not
structure
judge.
of black.
Can we get out of here? Can we get out of this game?
Yep.
This is
but the
crushing
game-
for white. This is crushing for white.
Yeah,
Can we
but
get
I
out
was
of here,
wondering.
please?
It's not like Shamit to blunder a queen. I was just looking at how.
No, he may have had a finger slip. Scroll down. Vivan K versus KV Tejas.
Vivan KK.
Oh no, White's winning.
No.
White's winning. So almost all games have a decisive
Rohan
winner by
Preetham
now.
versus Arya Ananta.
No, I don't
Rohan
want to go there.
Preetham.
Rohan Preetham versus Arya Nanta. Okay, actually we can go there. But
Yeah,
you see, but Rohan Preetham is, black is crushing. You really want to see that?
Nah, I don't have anything to see that.
Yeah, it's hopeless.
I'm about to get
Okay,
disconnected.
Almost all games are hopeless for one side.
Okay, let us see this then. Nothing else to say.
I'm about to get
Wait,
disconnected.
Skanda, are we having network issues?
No.
Let's
Even
bring
if
it to
even if I
draw.
have, I can connect.
Wait,
really fast.
Abhiyan, hold. Skanda, are we having issues, Skanda?
No, even if I had issues, I can connect really fast. But the internet is really fast.
Okay. No, I just don't want us to get disconnected. Keep that in mind.
Again.
Viewers, if you can hear us, just say, give a thumbs up or something in the live chat. Please don't ignore this message. Just give a thumbs up or something in the live chat, so we know that you're here and that we are still live.
No, Atharva said that he can see us. He's viewing. Okay, KO Tejas has 2 passed pawns, but
Okay, Atharva says, "Hey Skanda, how do I play any now?" Okay, so they're here.
Okay, so this game, I think it's Vivan Kak's winning game or it's a draw because white is. I don't think white can win.
Animesh, which would you prefer? Did you prefer the king c4 or the king to a3?
No, King C4 is a.
I just feel like both cases would have the same result.
Okay, now.
Can we at least agree that this game will be a draw? This game will be a draw. Oh
No,
wait,
black
actually,
win
black's
this
winning.
game.
Looks like a draw.
Blacks
Black will
win.
win. Sorry, a3.
And the
A3,
bishop
yeah,
is
it
yeah.
was
trapped. The
first.
bishop is trapped. Oh no.
B2. 1-0.
0-1.
b1, king b1.
King
King-
B2. King
No,
B3. I
no,
mean,
yeah,
nice.
king b3. Even I
move
support
it
this
is.
move. King b3. He'll be forced to only push his pawns.
But then it's very sharp variation.
No, king b3,
Oh,
f5,
no.
g into f5, g6. 4 stalemate.
No, this is also a win. Now King C4.
Yeah, this is the best move. Why would you go and play king b3? King b3, f5, g into f5, g6. And then f into g6 is stalemate. If not,
Yeah,
he's
this
going to promote
is
before you.
totally
We
winning.
want
Yeah,
to play a
wow.
very good end game. From being the bishop down, he actually made it into his win promotion.
Actually, Vivan
Yeah,
is
a
strong
beautiful
in
game right
endgames.
here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Vivan. But can Vivan defend this pawn? Okay, he can.
Vivan can. He has 3 passed pawns.
Now
Even if he
should
does it, he's going to win.
He has 3 connected
He
passed
should bring
pawns.
all of his 3 pawns. He should bring his
Okay,
3
Akhilan asks, where did Sir go? Okay, so Sir had to leave because of prior engagements. He may join us back soon or otherwise no. And Avni Verma says Vivan is master of endgames.
Animesh, when you
Yes,
meant live
that-
chat, do you mean the Leeches chat or do you mean the YouTube
agree
chat?
on.
The YouTube chat.
Oh, okay. I think now KVJ is
3
just.
queens for Vivan. That's it.
Oh my god, checkmate in 1. Vivan missed that. The checkmate in 1.
Yeah.
He missed
queen-
another one just now.
Really?
Can we leave this and move on?
Yeah, this is totally winning.
No, I
Vivan
want
is
to
just
see
playing
Vivan
around.
with stalemate.
Why do you want to see this? This is brutal. Come on.
Yeah.
I don't
Vivan
want to
could
see this anymore.
Wait,
stalemate.
I'll just refresh the page.
He's not going to stalemate with 2 queens. He's not going to stalemate with 2 queens.
Okay, two
So now
love.
which game?
Animesh 0.
Yeah, means no. Rohan Preetham's game? No.
We have only 2 games going on.
Rohan
Ariana.
Preetham's game then. Rohan
And my
Preetham's
internet
game
is about to
without
die.
doubt.
No. We'll be. Yeah. Rohan Preetham's game. Come on.
And my internet
We
is
are
about to
watching
die.
Rohan Preetham's game.
Rohan Preetham versus Aryananta.
No.
I will present my screen. Sometimes you have internet issues.
No, it's okay. I can share. 2.94 GB out of 3.
Then present fast.
9403. Skanda, you want to like switch
Enable
the.
participants to present or something.
Skanda, how about you off your video and mute yourself so that you can keep presenting?
No, I can actually switch my my Wi-Fi. It's still 2.94
Yeah, but
GB.
the stream will stop. The stream will stop if you do that.
No, it doesn't. My internet keeps on continuing.
Okay, so anyhow, Rohan Preetham's game against Arya Ananta is very interesting position. But I think white has an edge.
Okay, only one ongoing game, right?
Yeah, click on that. Now, according to me, queen into e2 is a good move. Queen into the queen for 2 rooks exchange. But Arya Ananta has some time pressure. So let's see what happens. Animesh, what's your opinion? Who will win this game?
White has so much time pressure, and Black's aggressive position really make me think it's more minus plus than plus minus.
Maybe. Okay, that was not a
It's
good
at least
game.
no.
Made it two.
It's
Made it two. Made it two.
yeah.
No, rook e1 check and then queen into g3.
Oh,
Now
okay. That
it's-
was no. He countered blunder. He countered blunder. Queen d7 check, king e5, queen d5 mate.
Yeah, actually.
Now White's mating in two.
Oh no. This is a very wild game.
What's going on?
Okay, quick. No, wait. Rook
Wait, what?
d5. Rook, no, not rook d5 either.
Rook h5?
Queen c8 check. Queen c8 check. Queen c8 check.
Wait, first of all, why did
Rook
he play
h5.
that?
Wait, what?
Pawn into rook.
Oh, okay. Now it's